Yo, what's up? What's up? It's your kid. Just wanna say thank you. Thank you, as God's each and every one of you guys been showing support to the kid. Just wanna say thank you so much. I really appreciate the love and support. No support. Yeah, like from the bottom of my heart, I just wanna say thank you. Like ngifisa ukubonga hlabo. Like ngifisa ukubonga first yo. Yakuthanda ngikhombisa lo. It's too much. Not ukuthi it's too much, it must end. Angisho kanjalo. But I'm saying that it's too much. That is too much. That is too much. Just wanna say thank you. Just wanna say thank you. Thank you so much. Keep on the love. Aliqhubeka uthando. Let's continue. Thank all. Like aliqhubeka futhi uthando. No, I just wanna say thank you guys. I really appreciate. Thank you.